What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Welcome Back by Gatie and Alessia Cara. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double punch the back of your face and break your teeth off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to know how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.